Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today we are going to learn about a 3D shape. It has 6 equal square faces. It's the cube. Let's say it together, cube. Are you ready to see cube objects around us? Let's go! Ice cube. Look, here is an ice cube. It is cold, small, and shaped like a cube. All its sides are equal. Gift box. Wow, a cute gift box. Many present boxes are cubes. A perfect shape for surprises. Dice. Do you play Ludo or Snake and Ladder? The dice we roll is also a cube. It has 6 faces with dots. Cake box. Some cute mini cakes come in cube shape too. Yummy and square from every side. Rubik's Cube. Have you seen this colorful puzzle? Yes, Rubik's Cube is also a cube. So many colors on 6 faces. Now it's time to play the cube hunt game. Look around your room. Try to find any 3 cube-shaped objects near you. Ready? Go! Let's repeat all the cube things we saw today. Ice cube. Gift box. Dice. Cube cake. Rubik's cube. Cubes are all around us. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to XoraTales for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.